Welcome to the Eternal Cyclist. Where are we going now?
What it's really supposed to be about, the joy of riding. Okay, as I rode around the Spezi, I'm gonna let you just look at this and see what's going on and do some of the stuff. At the end of the video, I'm talking about what's coming up next and everything else, but for most of the video, I'm gonna just not talk and let you enjoy it till the end. Come back to the end.
The cotton hall is being converted into a modern event hall. And our mayor has promised us that we can still use the Spezi hall for some more time. Nevertheless, from the very beginning, we have been thinking about how the Spezi of the Hochrheinbahn will begin in 2026, which would hit us hard at Spezi in 2026. It can also not be denied that Lauchringen is not that easy to reach for our northern German friends and exhibitors.
Und deshalb möchten wir an dieser Stelle ein ganz herzliches Dankeschön sagen an die Gemeinde Lauchringen, an dich Thomas, der uns von Anfang an unterstützt hat mit dieser.
As the last days come here, we start finishing up what's going on,
Morning.
packing up the bikes, packing up everything, getting ready to go back and head off, call it a night, and then the next day head back towards Cheska. Look how empty this place looks once it's all done and over with. Still more story coming up, follow ahead. The Spezi is officially over.
Okay, leaving the AZUB factory. I just got dropped off here a while ago. Had to dry everything, separate everything out, and then sit on their Wi-Fi and figure out the next stages of my travels, which is gonna bring me back to Serbia for a few days, take care of a few things there, and then from there fly out to visit mom and take care of that business, and then come back. And by then, I've got to write them an email, and hopefully most everything or any repairs that are needed on the bike are done, and I can go from there and take off and start traveling around again Europe without any issues on the bike. That's it for now. As you see, the sun is starting to go down. I'm at the train station. Nobody's here to help you. Nothing's here. But I should be able to get a train to where I catch the bus. Got a couple more hours to do that, and it takes the train about a couple hours to get there. So I should have about an hour wait once I get there for the train from the bus. At least the stations are close together, so long as I don't miss a train along the way. And I'm okay, so we'll see how this goes. It's been one of those days where things just keep changing and canceling and changing, and some are working out perfectly fine and some are just not falling into place the right way. The bus tickets from here to Budapest were okay, but then from Budapest to Serbia, no, I couldn't make them on time and make it, so it'd take me a whole nother day just to get there, so not something I want to do. Well, from here, this is the trip coming back and the vacation that's going to come back to visit family and take care of a few things. 10 years I've had the AZUB bike, so it's in for some major repairs or checkups. Nothing really major, but we'll talk about that when I get back and start dealing with that. Meanwhile, I'm going to take a little time off while they're doing the repairs, visit family and friends, then head on back and pick up the bike. And we'll start talking about trips to come then. Will I continue a YouTube channel? Why not? Will I develop it into something else? We'll see as time goes on. Just come back and find out. I might be posting, the notification may not.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.